Hi, my name is Miranda from Bountiful, Utah. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Hyundai Santa Cruz, you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by law. Now let me show you how we completed this install. You will need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. First, we're going to start by removing the underbody panel, and you're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 3 push pins. Next, we're going to slightly loosen the plastic nuts using a 14mm socket and then gently pull down on the panel. Next, we're going to use a plastic trim panel tool to remove the wiring from the access panel. Then you're going to want to remove the dust cover by pushing down on the lever. Plug the wiring harness into the vehicle's mating adapter. Now we're ready to install our wiring bracket. This does not come with the wiring kit, but you can pick one up at your local U-Haul, or you can order one from the link provided below. You are going to need 2 extra pieces of hardware in order to mount the bracket because it's only provided with 4. You can now tighten down the hardware using a Phillips head screwdriver and a 3/8 size wrench. Now we're going to install the 7-way onto the wiring bracket using the provided hardware. Next, you're going to install the wiring to the head of the 7-way. You're going to want to go over the hitch plate and under the bar of the hitch. You're going to want to align the locking tabs on the wiring harness. Now we're going to install the provided 15-amp fuse into the fuse holder. Now we're going to secure the converter box using the double-sided sticky tape. Using the provided zip ties, we're going to secure the wiring out of the way. Next, we're going to attach the wiring prong back to the underbody panel. Return the underbody panel back to its position, securing the plastic nuts and the push pins. That concludes the install for the Hyundai Santa Cruz wiring. Thank you for watching, and please remember to practice safe trailering, and we'll see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.